What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, and what I'm doing this time around is nice, easy job, right? I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake light, obviously rear brake light, the brake light on a Renault Scenic, Grand Scenic 2011 plate. Nice, easy job. Let's go. Okay, there's the light cluster. What we need to do is we need to open the tailgate, go around to this side, take this little flap off. We're going to take that off, that little screw kind of thing. That's off. We're going to go to this side now. Torx 20, take that one off, take that one off. Take them two off and we'll go from there. Okay, after we've taken this screw off, that one off, the inside one off, what we need to do is we're gonna get a little screwdriver and pull this one out this way, okay, towards the back. This one is a little bit tricky. What you need to do is get a flat screwdriver and pull it out this way towards the side, right? And then we need to go backwards, okay? So we need to pull it this way so it comes to the side, and then we need to go backwards. After you've pulled it out this way, pull that one out this way, and the whole lamp thing comes off. All you need to do is just disconnect that wiring loom. See if I can do it while it's here. That's like that. Take that off. We can now get to all the bulbs and everything. No problem. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the brake light bulb, which is this one. You can go ahead and replace the indicator. We can replace both of them. What you need to do is you need to press these two sides down and flick it off. I need two hands. I need to get a screwdriver on it as well. A flat screwdriver. Press them two sides down and just flick it off. Right, bulb is out. The next bit is just plain sailing. What you do is it's exactly like a normal bulb. Take that bulb out, replace it with a 2-pin stop and tail. Don't put a single filament one in, because this is, let me see if I can take it off with one hand. A double pin, yeah, a 2-pin stop and tail. Just drop the bulb. Let's do it. Right, new bulb is back on. Just put that in there, that's it. Put that back on. And that's it, guys. Bulb is back on. Happy days. Job done. So that's it, guys. That's how we replace the brake light bulb or the indicator bulb, the bulbs on the rear of the Renault Scenic, Grand Scenic 2011 plate. That's it, dead easy. Anyway, guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, not feeling the best, busted lips, teeth not feeling very good as well. Dimitri, I'm coming to see you. And yeah, all I'm going to say is like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.